Welding jackets are essential when it comes to welding, and with so many options available, it can often be challenging knowing where to begin. Join us for a close-up look at the Betaweld flame-resistant welding jacket and how this premium welding jacket can keep you safe in any welding application. Welding processes and equipment generate extremely high levels of heat, carrying the risk of fire, explosion, and other heat-related hazards. One of the biggest risks to welders are the sparks generated during welding process, which can enter clothing and can cause serious burns. Betaweld welding jackets are made using flame-resistant cotton for heavy-duty spark and spatter protection. The hook and loop style front opening strip offers reliable, positive closure against spark entry. Double stitched with Kevlar thread, this jacket also features leather sleeves as well as adjustable cuffs to prevent spark entry. Not only does the Betaweld welding jacket meet industry requirements, it is built tough for a maximum lifespan. If you would like to try this welding jacket for yourself, please visit us on our trade counter. We have multiple sizes available to fit large and small. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.